Here's for all you do-it-yourselfers out there. Just took these two 55-gallon plastic barrels and sanded them down, painted them, and of course I drew 1/4-inch holes in them. Probably went a little excessive on that, but I made a little frame there to put it on. It's kind of lightweight, but I've got it screwed. So then screwed together there and on the ends. And the bottom of it looks like this. Just low to the ground. I think it'll drain water good. I've got another one there and I'm gonna do it the same way. Thought I'd share it with you.